Hello folks, I wanted to post this short video to explain where you can find possible topics for your research project for this semester and also how you can sign up for groups. So let me do a quick walkthrough and a screen cast. So if you go to modules and you look at the module for this week, right? So we have here Module 1, Languages, Dialects, and Accents, Why Language Matters and Why It Matters Now. I have just posted an updated list of potential topics. It's right here. It's a Word document under Materials. You can look through all the topics. They're very broad. There's a lot of wiggle room in them. And if you decide that the topics are not something you are interested in, but you have some other ideas, just email me, or if you can, physically stop by my office hours, Mondays 12 to 2 and Thursdays 10 to 12 in Building 24, Room 222, and we can discuss your potential topics and how to narrow them down. So, basically, pick a topic you are interested in and try to connect with other people who might be interested in that topic. Let me bring you back to modules. If you would like to connect with other people on the topic of the research, you can go to the initial module from last week. It has a section here, a discussion called Course Q&A. You can post here, it's completely wide open, and say, hey, I'm interested in this topic. Who can work or who wants to work with me on this topic? Now, I know the syllabus and schedule says that you have to decide on your topic by the end of today and connect with your group, but I understand that it's a short notice, so as long as your group contract is done by Friday night, you're going to be okay, right? So, now, how do you sign up for groups? You go to this section called People, and you will see that there are several possible versions. Let me click on the student view so you will see what you see in this. So, this is the student view. It's a little bit different from mine. You click on groups, and with groups, you will see all of these research projects. You also will see some specific groups. It's like the Ardea article, the Faultis article, the Artigo and Stern article. Those are going to be different groups for different tasks during the course. What you're looking for is the research project. So you can add yourself to a research project group. You see, I cannot do this, unfortunately, because I do not have a status as a student in this class. And other people can add too. The groups are limited to 4 people. There are 10 total projects. There are 40 people in class. So typically, if you want to have more than 4 people, you will have to ask me, and I can probably add you manually, but I'd prefer not to do this. I'd prefer that you form your own groups. If you do need support, however, in forming groups, please do not hesitate to email me. I'm going to leave the student view. I strongly suggest that when you formed your own group, for example, you decided that, Angela and Bob and Cedric and Diana are going to be in one group, made up names. You designate one of those people to go and grab any research project numbered from 1 to 10. That person then renames the project. You have the editing preferences and abilities for the project, and calls it something like Angela, Bob, Cedric, and Diana's gendered language group. And then the rest of you know how to join this. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me, and I will be happy to answer those questions. Talk to you soon and see you online.